So as an Amazon influencer, one of the perks is you can sometimes get lots of free samples and free products to review.
That sounds nice.
Which is awesome. And as an influencer, you can also buy products specifically from Amazon that you know, using things like Viral View or Sortio, using extensions that you know you're gonna be able to rank for those. You could just specifically buy those products, rank for them, and make money. But getting all these free things and buying all these products means that things start stacking up on you pretty quickly, and your basement or your garage is going to turn into this ridiculous storage unit full of all these crazy products, some of which you don't even need or want.
Good problems to have.
So I recently got a message on my SpeakPipe, or my online voice message system, asking me what to do with all these products from someone named Michael. So let's listen to Michael's question, and then I'm going to answer it for him in this video very quickly.
Hey Adam, I got a question. So my question is I've got to buy all these products to do my review. What do I do with them after I review them? Because some of them I'm probably not going to keep.
Okay, great question, Michael. So oftentimes people are buying products in order to make money from them, but they might not even be products that they're interested in. Now, I am not currently doing this. I talk about doing this as a way to scale up your Amazon influencer business, and it is a great way to scale up your business. Go buy products you know you can rank for to make money off those products. But then what do you do with all those products, especially if they're things you're not interested in? Well, one thing you can do is keep them, but if you're not interested in them, the next thing you can do is donate them. And I'm not a tax professional, so please talk to a tax professional, but I believe you may get some sort of tax benefits at the end of the year if you are donating things to charity. So you can donate those things, which is also just a really nice thing to do. You can sell them yourself in a number of different ways. You can buy a product, review it, then put it on Facebook Marketplace or put it on Craigslist. I again don't do this because I don't want tire kickers at my house, but you can resell all those products to get a chunk of your money back. And if it's brand new, you still have the packaging, you could probably get 80 or 90% of what you paid for it. If you bought a $100 item, you could probably get $80, maybe even $90 on Facebook Marketplace if you still have the original packaging and you can prove that this thing has never been used. I've also talked to my local pawn shop, and some pawn shops, if you have pawn shops in your local area, will allow you to put items in their pawn shop on consignment, meaning that you put your items in there. If they sell it, then they'll take a piece of it and they'll give you the rest of it. My pawn shops wouldn't do that with me, unfortunately, but that is another option. Find some pawn shops in your area that will take the stuff and sell it for you. You can have a flea market or a yard sale once a year if you don't want to deal with tire kickers every single day. I also found someone here in my hometown that was willing to resell these products for me. I haven't taken advantage of that yet, but that is another thing. If someone really enjoys doing the whole flea market thing or yard sale thing or the Facebook Marketplace thing, you can partner with them and say, hey, listen, I get products from Amazon. I'm not interested in them. I'll give them to you. You sell them. We'll split the profits 50-50. Now, obviously, you're only going to get a much smaller portion if you cut in another person, but still, that may be an option for you. But those are just a few very quick ones that I think people can and maybe should be doing with these products when they get them in, if you're not interested in keeping them yourself. So, Michael, I hope that answered your question. And if anybody has any more questions about the Amazon Influencer Program or anything that I'm doing over on my main channel, feel free to shoot a comment over to me, or like Michael did, feel free to go to the link in the description and ask a question directly on my voicemail. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
You better hope so.